The smart switch is unique because it can detect excess load on the motor and auto-reverse the motor to clear any obstruction. For basic operation, refer to the yellow decal on the cart. When you turn on the switch, you may hear a sound and see a blue diagnostic light. This does not mean there is a problem. A solid green light indicates that the Hammerhead is operating at 100% power. This is considered to be normal operation. To access the second power mode, turn the switch on, off, and on again. A flashing green light indicates that the Hammerhead is operating in lower power. In this mode, it will use 80% of the battery power and reduce the suction slightly. If you see a red flashing light, the switch has shut down the motor for safety. It may mean that the propeller is obstructed and cannot spin freely. You should turn the unit off and check for obstructions. Then restart the switch. It may also mean that the motor has been running out of the water for more than a minute and has shut itself down automatically. In this case, reset the switch again. If you see a red and blue flashing light at the same time, this indicates that the switch has detected a direct wire short circuit and will not run the motor. In this case, you should turn the switch off and inspect all wiring and battery connections carefully. Then reset the switch. If the flashing blue and red lights don't go away, you should disconnect all battery power from the Hammerhead unit and contact Hammerhead for assistance. The smart switch is unique because of its ability to auto-reverse the motor to clear obstructions. It senses excess load on the motor, protects it from a burnout, increases battery efficiency, and detects faults in the wiring. When using the smart switch, it is important that all wiring connections are tight and free of corrosion, and that you closely follow our battery selection and charging guidelines. The smart switch precisely monitors the quality and level of power provided by the battery, and may not allow your vacuum unit to run if the battery is undercharged or too low on power. For more information, visit us at hammerheadvac.com or call